everybody, this is Cindy with Magazine Mama. I wanted to show you 3 ways to use emails in your photography business each month. And I also wanted to give you a look inside the pre-written email subscription for photographers because a lot of you were asking about it. So here's an example of one of the newsletters that you will receive when you sign up for the subscription. So the reason I created this is because a lot of you had said, what do I send out in emails every month? You know, a lot of times I like to remind everybody it's so important to create an email list. And I think you guys get that. But then the next step is like, once you have the list, what do I send to them? That's what a lot of questions that I hear a lot of the time. So what I've done is I've created a complete email marketing system for the entire year. It starts with the month of January and goes all the way through December. And each month it includes a newsletter, and then there'll be 3 promotional emails. Now, here's what the newsletter looks like. So you can either create this as a PDF. So you put your photos in this template right here, and you can create a PDF from it. And the first way to use this is that you can use it as an opt-in to grow your email list. So if you need something for people to sign up for, you can say, sign up to receive my newsletter. Well, here it is. They sign up and then you've got it already set to go. Or if you wanted to, you could put your photos in this, print it out and use it as a flyer and place it in local businesses, or just, you could even mail it to people. You can do direct mail marketing. And then you'll also receive a Word doc file that'll have all the text here. So you can just copy and paste it into your email and send it off. So that's another thing you can do. Or you can use the text on your social media posts. You can also use the content, so all this content right here. For example, this is like a spectacular spring day party planning tips. So this is the content. You can copy and paste it into your blog, and then you can send an email and say, hey, go check out my blog post. I just posted some tips for spring party planning. So, this is another way that you can engage your followers, and it's not always about sending them content related to photography. This content is related around the seasons and the holidays, because it's just another way to kind of engage and nurture your email list, because they don't always want to hear about photography. And then so you start to engage them and share information that they're interested in. And then for the follow-up, you have 3 promotional emails with a subscription each month. So this first one, for example, this is for the month of March. Like I said, it's just a short promotional email, short, sweet, and to the point. If you want to promote like St. Patrick's mini day sessions, you can always tweak this to the type of session you're promoting that particular month. So if you're not promoting St. Patrick's mini day sessions or St. Patrick's Day mini sessions, you can promote like family sessions for the month of March. I mean, you could even, these aren't particularly personal brand emails, but you can say, get your personal brand photo this month, and you can, have a twist on it, say incorporate your holiday props in it, because, people who are influencers and are brands, they need to switch up their photos every month based on the holidays too. So this is another way you can edit this and tweak it to whatever your needs are. So you'll get the 8.5 by 11 template Photoshop file. Without the photo, of course, you'll have to put your own photo in there. And then each one has the text and the call to action. So there's a different call to action for each email. And then obviously the subject line. So those are 3 parts to every email that I recommend. You've got to have obviously your subject line, your content, and then your call to action is very important. So these are just some more samples of the templates. And then, of course, you get the doc file with all the text here. You can just copy it and paste it into your email service provider and send it off. So it's going to save you a whole lot of time. You can use this content, like I said, on your blog post, and you can also use it on your social media to promote your sessions on social media. Because if you don't know what to write on social media, all you can do is just, edit and copy this text and paste it in your social media. And then on your social media, so instead of saying reply to this email to find out more about our available dates, you'll just edit that to say, click on this website, or send me a direct message, or, DM me. You'll just change the call to action based on the platform that you post this content on. So hopefully this helps. And I'm going to put a link below to the newsletter subscription. It'll start in January. So the content in January will be for January, like for the new year. Then you'll get some in January for February. You'll get it in enough time ahead of time so that you'll be able to post it for the appropriate month. So hopefully this has been helpful to you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.